In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a collection in Shopify. This is a handy skill to have if you need to temporarily remove a category from your online store without deleting it entirely. We'll walk through the process step by step to make sure you fully grasp each stage and get the result you want. First, the journey begins by heading over to the Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to your storefront. Once you've logged into your Shopify account, navigate to the home section on your dashboard. This will be your starting point for accessing all the various settings and options available to you. Next, you'll want to click on the Products tab. This section houses all your inventory and is the gateway to managing your collections effectively. Clicking on Products will display a comprehensive list of all the items in your store, but today our focus is on the collections. To move forward, you're going to click on the Collections option. This is typically located at the top of the products page. Once you click here, you'll see a list of all the collections you have in your store. Now the crucial part is to select the specific collection you wish to hide. Take a moment to find the right collection from your list. Click on it to open up its settings. Don't worry if it looks a bit complicated at first glance. We're here to walk you through everything. Within the settings of the selected collection, look for the option labeled Manage. Clicking on Manage will open up a view where you have more control over the visibility and various other settings for that particular collection. Here is where you'll be able to make the necessary changes to hide the collection from plain sight. After clicking on Manage, you will see the Deselect All option. This is the key step to ensuring your collection doesn't appear in any of your online stores. By deselecting all, you're effectively hiding this collection from public view, but you're not removing it or affecting its contents in any way. To finalize and save your changes, you'll need to click Done. This saves your adjustments, ensuring the selected collection will now be hidden on your storefront. It's as simple as that. You can repeat this process anytime you need to hide or show collections, giving you great flexibility in managing your store's offerings. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to hide a collection on Shopify. This ability helps you manage your store strategically, whether you're running seasonal promotions or need to temporarily reorganize your offerings. Thanks for joining, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Keep these steps in mind and feel free to revisit this guide whenever needed.